속 장내 유익균인 비피더스균. 이육이 이후 그 수가 줄어 보충이 필요한데요. 모유율의 유산균인 락토바실러스 루테르를 비롯하여 성장기 어린이를 고려한 맞춤형 균주 배합은 물론 비타민 D, 아연을 한 번에 쑥쑥 크는 성장기 어린이를 위한 애터미 키즈 프로바이오틱스.
Atomy Kids Probiotics. A customized formulation that strengthens a growing child's intestinal health. The product contains probiotics with patented coating technology to help keep your child's intestinal health in balance. Each packet contains vitamin D to promote bone health in growing children and zinc for normal immune function. The sweet banana flavor makes it a fun treat that kids will love to eat. A customized formulation that strengthens a growing child's intestinal health. Main features of Atomy Kids Probiotics. 1. Contains lactic acid bacteria derived from breast milk, Lactobacillus reuteri LM1071 or Lactobacillus reuteri. 2. Composed of a customized strain combination made specifically for growing children. Only contains strains that have an abundance of research data. A 3:1 ratio of Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus bacteria. 3. A triple functional product that keeps children healthy. Contains 2 billion CFU probiotics, vitamin D, and zinc. 4. Contains carefully selected supplementary ingredients. GOS, galactoligosaccharide, derived from milk. FOS, fructo-oligosaccharide, derived from chicory. Lactulose powder derived from milk. Delicious banana flavor. Subtle sweet flavor of monk fruit extract powder. 5. Features a child-friendly design. The 1.5 gram packet makes it easier to consume. Customized probiotics that have gone through numerous extensive trials to ensure they are right for children. Product specifications. Product name: Atomy Kids Probiotics. Type of food: health functional food, probiotics, vitamin D, zinc. Capacity or weight per packaging unit and quantity: 1.5 gram x 30 packets or total 45 gram. Intake method: take one packet once a day. Product features: First, contains lactic acid bacteria derived from breast milk. The product contains Lactobacillus reuteri, a form of lactic acid bacteria derived from the breast milk of healthy mothers. Strain derived from breast milk, that is Lactobacillus reuteri LM1701. Second, composed of a customized strain combination made specifically for growing children. The product contains a 3:1 ratio of 5 Bifidobacterium strains, a bacteria that lives in the large intestine, and 2 Lactobacillus strains, a bacteria that lives in the small intestine. The ration of Bifidobacterium, Lactobacillus is 3:1 or 75%, 25%. 5 Bifidobacteria strains found in the large intestine. 1. Bifidobacterium longum CBTBG7 Bifidobacterium longum. 2. Bifidobacterium breve CBTBR3 Bifidobacterium breve. 3. Bifidobacterium bifidum CBTBF3 Bifidobacterium bifidum. 4. Bifidobacterium longum subspecies infantis CBTBT1 Bifidobacterium infantis. 5. Bifidobacterium animalis subspecies lactis bio7 Bifidobacterium animalis. 2 Lactobacillus bacteria strains found in the small intestine. 1. Lactobacillus acidophilus NCFM Lactobacillus acidophilus. 2. Lactobacillus reuteri LM1071 Lactobacillus reuteri. Characteristics of Bifidobacterium: suppresses harmful bacteria by producing acetic acid and lactic acid. Bifidobacterium produces acetic acid and lactic acid to suppress various harmful bacteria and strengthen the intestinal environment. Activates the intestinal environment. It helps improve the intestinal environment by acidifying the intestinal pH and activating intestinal peristalsis. May help with bowel movements. Bifidobacterium mainly lives in the large intestine and can help facilitate bowel movements. A blend made only from strains proven to be effective through numerous long-term studies. Dual coating technology. The patented coating technology increases the viability of lactic acid bacteria and protects them so they are able to reach the intestines. 4 strains from Cell Biotech, a company that specializes in lactic acid bacteria. 1. Bifidobacterium longum CBTBG7. 2. Bifidobacterium breve CBTBR3. 3. Bifidobacterium bifidum CBTBF3. 4. Bifidobacterium longum subspecies infantis CBTBT1. Obtained patents from 5 major regions around the world, from Republic of Korea, United States, Europe, Japan, and China. Technology that maintains the stability of bacterial cell membranes. A patented manufacturing process that maintains the stability of bacterial cell membranes during the freezing and drying stages. 2 IFF strains from DuPont Danisco. 1. Lactobacillus acidophilus NCFM. 2. Bifidobacterium animalis subspecies Lactis Bio7. Obtained a patent from the United States. Fiber coating technology. A patented coating method that uses a cryoprotectant to protect live bacteria and help them reach the intestines. 1 strain from Lacto Mason, a company that specializes in lactic acid bacteria, Lactobacillus reuteri LM1701. Obtained a patent from the Republic of Korea. 3rd. Triple functional product that keeps children healthy. The triple functional product contains probiotics, vitamin D, and zinc to help you properly manage the health of your growing child. Probiotics for intestinal health. Number of bacteria introduced, 20 billion CFUs. Guaranteed number of bacteria, 2 billion CFUs. May help promote the growth of lactic acid bacteria and suppress harmful bacteria. May help facilitate bowel movements. May help with intestinal health. Vitamin D, 5 micrograms for bone health. Necessary for the absorption and utilization of calcium and phosphorus. Necessary for the formation and maintenance of bones. May help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Meets 100% of the recommended daily intake for children ages 3 to 5. Zinc 4 mg for normal immune function. Necessary for normal immune function. Necessary for normal cell division, intake for children ages 3 to 5. Meets 100% of the recommended daily. 4th. Contains carefully selected supplementary ingredients. Contains flavor additives and 3 kinds of prebiotics. Prebiotics galactoligosaccharide as supplementary ingredient. Prebiotics fructo-oligosaccharide as supplementary ingredient. Prebiotics lactulose powder as supplementary ingredient. Plus. Sweet banana flavor, concentrated banana powder as supplementary ingredient. Subtle sweet flavor of monk fruit extract as supplementary ingredient. 5th. Features a child-friendly design. Designed to be easy for children to take. The small 1.5 gram packet makes it easy for children to take. Recommended for the following people. Enjoy a fun and healthy day with Atomy Kids Probiotics. Children with poor bowel movements. Children who need to manage their intestinal health due to improper eating habits. Children who need softer and more regular bowel movements. Children who need healthy intestinal care promoted by the activity of beneficial intestinal bacteria. Children with sensitive stomachs. Children who have a decreased amount of intestinal bifidobacteria. Precautions when taking. 1. Hypersensitive reactions may occur depending on the individual, so please check the ingredients before consuming. 2. Consult a physician if your child has a medical condition or is taking medication. 3. Allergic constitutions may cause a hypersensitive reaction depending on the individual. 4. Teach your child how to take the product daily to prevent overdosing. 5. If any adverse reactions occur, have your child stop taking the product and consult a physician. 6. Consult a physician if your child has or is taking medication for hypercalcemia. Health information. Intestinal health is the secret to good health. 70% of immune cells exist in the intestines. From birth, harmful and beneficial bacteria in the external environment fight with each other for control of the intestines. After starting baby food, the amount of beneficial bifidobacterium begins to decrease as the diet changes. 70% of the body's immune cells exist in the intestines. However, as we age, the amount of harmful bacteria in the intestines increases while the number of beneficial bacteria decreases. It is important to pay attention to intestinal health so you can create a healthy intestinal environment. Bifidobacterium is the strongest form of beneficial bacteria found in the intestines. It is 10,000 times more abundant than lactic acid bacteria, lactobacillus found in the large intestine, and helps balance bacterial flora. It is important to find the proper bifidobacterium supplement as it begins to decrease as babies grow and transition to eating baby food.